guys, welcome back to JR14. As you guys seen in the last video, we actually did the H&R upgrade for the front sway bar. Now, obviously, I want to negate some of the, obviously the car's going to want to push more with the much more steer sway bar. So to negate that, I actually want to go ahead and install new control arms. Now, the control arms in question are actually these. So here we have the new control arms from Whiteline. So the good thing about the Whiteline control arms is, one, they actually give you good instructions. That's the first thing, because I've never done these before, so this is going to be all new to me. And they give you, picture instructions on how to get everything done. So we have those, a bunch of different stuff. So these are actually the control arms here. As you can see, these are completely light, very, very light, completely aluminum structure with upgraded bushings. So we're going to go ahead and show you the installation of these right now. So the first thing we're going to do is take off the old control arms by just pretty much impacting them off. Oh, that is easy. So we got one of these control arms out here. As you can see, they use rubber bushings, and as you can see, there's spaces in the bushings here. So the good thing about the Whiteline ones, let me see if I can find the correct side. All right, so we do have the new control arms here, and pretty much with these are pretty cool. So this actually goes on the edge here, right here. And then the good thing about it is, as you can see, they are a little bit extended, so you can have some adjustability back and forth with it. So we're going to go ahead and pop these in, and then we're going to go ahead and install. We're going to install these back in, and we're going to tighten everything down with the new supplied hardware.
A lot going on here. Got the whole subframe out. Sway has been changed.
So as you guys see here, we actually just installed the new control arms, front and rear. We're going to tighten these up. This is not tight yet, but just wanted to give you an idea. So we tightened this side up already. So as you can see, up and down, hardcore bushings here. So this also adjusts the camber on the car and also the caster by slightly. So this is going to be pretty good for the track. Again, we do have polyurethane bushings now instead of the rubber ones. So it's going to be a little bit more rigid. Again, adding that chassis rigidity as well. So definitely going to tighten these up, and that's going to be it. So guys, stay tuned for the next episode where we're actually going to do modifications on more modifications, aftermarket suspension modifications on Project Mark 7 to get a track ready for this year. All right, so shout out to Whiteline for supplying these for the build. I definitely can't wait to drive the car with them to see how it definitely rips. But yeah, so far so good. And remember, guys, I want you guys to do 3 things for me. 3 things: like, share, and subscribe to JR14. Notification bell so you can get post notifications on videos such as this. And make sure you give this guy a follow too. Give me your Instagram, guy.
Oh, who, me? Who's me? No, I'm just kidding. No, if you want to check us out, this is East Hood. I'm Brian Smith from East Hood Racing. We do a lot of stuff with Time Attack and doing really cool things here at Devon's shop over here in Central Square.
Yeah.
How's my boy Evan?
He really hates us right now. Who's your boy?
It's fun. It's my boy Evan. No, only drinks the finest. Only the finest. But yeah, thank you for JR for coming down here, or actually up here. So should be fun. Thank you guys for watching. All right.
And then Calvin is here too. He got the glasses. He's glasses. He's got the gloves. My bad. You got the gloves
not even
on.
Dirty.
They're not even dirty yet. Come on, bro. What is this?
I was
They're
sleeping.
clean.
Listen, man. There's a long story behind that.
No.
Tired.
No, we don't come here and sleep. We work until we don't want to work no more. So, all right. So like I said, remember guys, make sure you do all the stuff that I told you to do with the channel as usual. And remember guys, cars are a lifestyle. Stay tuned for the next one.